When you look at today's Morehouse students, if you were to really give them a call, a mandate, a challenge, something you'd love to really see them live deeply into, what would you say?
I would probably say to them that they should work toward realizing something that becomes a greater global impact on spirituality and on a kind of cultural unity that I see dwindling, sadly, too far from the pale. We are not in the place where there is common cause, even among people who are, African Americans, because the communities have been decentralized in a way that you don't have this core kind of community and the same idea of spiritualism and the same inherent standards of good and humanism. And somewhere that pendulum has to swing back closer to center. And it's not simply the United States. How one can look at on the news in any given time, devastating invasions and murder, and then look at gang violence and so forth, and enjoy their meal and not be disturbed, tells me that there is a desensitizing in terms of our basic human nature. And something has to happen there. If they can find a creative dimension of expression through music to make those things happen, I think it will not only speak volumes for them, but it will make this world a better place.